Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got another copycat style recipe today, and this time we're going to Chili's. I'm gonna show you guys how to make that chili style Southwest egg roll. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken. Now, what I'm using is already cooked rotisserie chicken. I just chopped it up. To me, that's the best way to make this, or you can also, take boneless chicken breast, cook it yourself, season it, cook it yourself, chop it up, same thing. But getting it already cooked and chopping up is much easier and quicker. Right here we have ranch dressing, some Mexican cheese. We have corn, we drained it. We have black beans, we drained it. We have some cilantro here, some diced chilies, red bell pepper, onions, our tortillas here, guacamole, some chopped frozen spinach, olive oil, and some taco seasoning. So this is all you need. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is make our dipping sauce. So I took our bowl with our ranch, add our avocado, wasn't recording, but we're just gonna get it mixed up like this. Just like that. And now we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator, let it chill while we finish the recipe. So next we're gonna start preparing our filling for our egg rolls. So we're gonna heat up our olive oil. And once that oil heats up, you wanna add your onions and your red peppers. We're gonna saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they soften. All right, so after those 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go in with our chicken, our black beans, our spinach, corn, and our green chilies. And we're gonna get this mixed around, fold it in here for about 2 to 3 minutes to let it warm all the way through. Now I'm coming behind that with our taco seasoning. Now after that 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna sprinkle in our cheese. And we're gonna stir this in until it melts. Once that cheese melts, we're gonna turn off our heat, stir in our cilantro. Just like that, all right? So I'm gonna transfer this mixture into a bowl, and we're gonna head back to our cutting board so we can start creating our egg rolls. All right, we're gonna start building out our egg rolls. So we're gonna take a tortilla here, and we're gonna take, this is probably about 2 tablespoons of our filling, but you guys kind of eyeball it. You don't want to put too much because you want to be able to fold it, something like that. Let's see if that's gonna work. And the way you do it is, of course, you take this end of your tortilla, you fold it in, you take the sides of it like this. Well, you want to make sure when you start folding it in, you push that food back to the center, and you take those ends and you continue to just fold it up like this. Now I'm gonna sit this seam side down, and you also take a little water, put it right there to kind of get that baby to stick together, kind of like that. Okay, so now all our egg rolls are wrapped. Now guys, remember, you could also use egg roll paper, actual egg roll paper to do this. I couldn't find any, but you can also use these flour tortillas about the 6-inch size. So we're gonna go ahead and move over to our stove so we can drop these babies in our grease. It's already warming up to 350 degrees. So let's get over there. All right, so now our oil is up to temperature. We're gonna start dropping our egg rolls seam side down. And guys, we're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Of course, we want these babies golden brown. And I like to flip mine over like after a minute, just to kind of rotate it, not wait that full 2 minutes and kind of rotate it, and then go back over to the other side. All right, guys, so it looks like we're about 3 minutes in. They're pretty good. To me, they're golden brown. That's what we want them. So once they get golden brown, guys, all thing you gotta do is just go ahead and take them out. Those look good. I'm going to sit them here on a rack, lined with some paper towels. Let them rest. while we complete the other ones, all right? All right, guys, we're gonna start removing our second batch out of here. These babies are ready. All right, guys, look at what we have right here. It's a beautiful egg roll. That's all it takes, guys. Now we're just gonna head over to our cutting board, get it plated up for our final presentation. And there you have it, Chili's Copycat Southwest Egg Rolls. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can give it a taste test. Yep, we're back in here, quality control. Man, let's bring our egg rolls to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and bite into this baby. That's what I'm talking about right here. Let's try some of this guacamole ranch. Bingo. Hey. Man. Oh, man. And yes, another one for the book. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not a chef, just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace. Oh, man.